Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing a Vantech H1 ladder rack for a Ford Transit Connect. This is a 3-bar system. Let's get into it. All right, so this is one of my favorite ladder racks on the market from Vantech. It's the H1 system. It's a crossbar ladder rack. This is for the Ford Transit Connect. We're gonna be putting this on the van behind me here soon. Here's the thing I love about Vantech racks. We had this shipped to us via FedEx from their factory. And this is how it arrives. You know, it's not perfect, but you know what? We've seen a lot of damage on ladder racks because they are heavy and they don't always get packed all that well. The thing about Vantech racks, I don't think we've ever had a shipping damage issue with their H1 ladder racks because, man, they package them so well, they ship so well. It's just a great buy. That's why we offer free shipping on them all the time. So this is how it ships to you. Everything you need here in this box. Let's open it. They say to open, remove staples. So that's always my favorite part of unboxing stuff, is dealing with staples. So the H1 is offered in a couple of different variations. You can get it in steel, or you can get it in, come on now. You can get it in steel or aluminum. You can get it in black or in white, and you can get a 3-bar system or a 2-bar system. So this is exactly why these ship so well. Everything fits in here so securely that I can barely even get it out. So we might have to do a little bit of surgery here called tearing the corner of the box to get this sucker out of here. And then of course, inside the box, we got another box. So again, you got 2 layers of cardboard there on the side. Unboxing the box. Step 1. Step 2 can be actually getting the components out. Okay, see if I can slide this out yet. There we go, there we go. Perfect. I forgot we got this in black. So we bought the black one, aluminum, 3-bar. See, just look how nicely they package this stuff from Vantech. They got the Vantech tape on here, so you know you're not getting some knockoff. Everything, these bars are just plastic wrapped to these 2 layers, 2-ply, what do you call that, 2-flute? I don't know. Cardboard here. You've got all your, I think these are H34s. I don't know, but we've got 3 sets of mounting feet, and we got all of our hardware. So, man, they just do an excellent job of packaging their shipments, which is why, like I said, we never have any damage. In fact, we try to switch people to the Vantech racks because it's a great product, and the price for the product, the value, the options you get from Vantech, in my opinion, are unmatched. So I believe this is going to be all of our hardware. Each of these, I believe, is going to be a mounting feet. I think the middle bar might have different mounting feet than the front and the rear. So again, you may complain about how hard this is to get out of the box, but you know what? Everything's going to be here in tip-top shape. Nothing fell out of the box because it was rattling around. So we've got 2 of these suckers, which I believe are going to be our uprights. Yep. So again, who does this? Who puts a little piece of metal in plastic and then has all of this dunnage in here to keep it from shifting around? Vantech does that. So, man, they do a great job with their packaging. Upright here, you got 2 of them. You're gonna have 1. Well, I know you're gonna have 1 for each crossbar. And I thought these were made out of steel, but these are super lightweight. We'll get those over here This is gonna be the exact same thing. It's got the same number on that label. Just wanna take a look at this middle box here. It's the H32AL on it. I wonder if it's just a different box or what. Okay, so we got another upright. Is this the same? Yeah, so there's a little bit of difference. So I believe our front and rear uprights are gonna be basically the same. Your middle one have different mounting feet. Looks like there's just an extra hole here on this one. Other than that, man, these are basically the same. Yep, we got our 3 sets of mounting feet here. And then we've got the actual crossbars. Again, this is one of the things that commonly just shoots out the edge of boxes and destroys it. They do a good job here of getting this ready to be shipped. You know, the thing is, a lot of ladder rack manufacturers, the primary way that they sell is through upfitters and local installers, and they're used to stuff being shipped on a pallet and not being sent via, you know, UPS or something like that. So this is our crossbars. I don't know if you can see down the middle of that, but you know, it's extruded aluminum, but you have these channels in here to give it some rigidity. This is a solid product here. Got 3 of these bars. And the way that these work is they get mounted inside of your mounting feet there. And there you go. You know, some common questions we get is like, how thick are these crossbars? Well, I'm gonna answer that question for you right now. In terms of overall height, oh shoot, turn it on first. All right, overall height, we're looking at 1.967 inches high. The width here is 0.998. This is clearly about 2 inch by 1 inch crossbar. And then, yeah, let's get the distance across. Not that this really matters because, you know, it's going in the mounting feet and the width is the width. 45 inches wide. So there, you got your measurements there. Again, you got these channels here just because it's extruded aluminum on the bottom and the top, I believe. It's just really pretty cool. I believe this is just a powder coat, but it's like a gloss black finish. You know, if you get the white ones, it's gonna be white, and your crossbars are gonna be, or your mounting feet are gonna be white, and your crossbars are gonna be white. We got the blacks. I thought that would look cool, you know, just as an accent on the van. And so, yeah, we got our crossbars, our mounting feet. Let's take a look at all the hardware that you're gonna get for mounting this sucker on the van. Again, just excellent job here on the packaging. Yeah, look at that dunnage here. This is just shredded cardboard that they use to keep stuff from rolling around. All right, we got our little, this must be a little like plastic bar guards or something. So maybe this goes on the top actually. We've got we got a little plastic riser that's gonna go under the mounting feet, I believe. We've got our ladder stopper. So this is just a little device that's going to be clamped onto on a crossbar. And so when you load your ladder, you basically run it up against this stopper here, and then you're gonna have a strap, you know, so your ladder's gonna be laying across 1 or 2 or 3 bars, and you're gonna have a strap on another bar, this hook and loop strap right here, which is going to keep it secure on the roof. So it's simple. It's not like you're going up to every single crossbar with a bungee cord and wrapping it to make sure it doesn't move. You got that ladder guide, and then this just has Velcro on it. I believe you kind of just, you leave it connected all the time to one of the crossbars, and then you can wrap the ladder and secure it. Nice little feature there from Vantech. And then we also have, so how many do you get? It's a 3-bar system, you get 2 ladder stoppers. And you get 2 ladder guides, so these would go you know, on the edge. So if you run your ladder, you know, up against the edge of the crossbar, like that. So you put one of the steps on the ladder in here, and then you're gonna have a ladder guide maybe on the next crossbar that kind of keeps it centered. And then you're gonna have your hook and loop strap, another one to secure it, keep it from moving around while you're driving. So, pretty cool system here on Vantech. So you get 2 guides, 2 stoppers, 2 hook and loop straps, so really you can support 2 ladders. We sell these as a kit, so you basically one of these, and one of these, and basically a 1 ladder accessory pack. So if you buy the 2-bar rack, I think you only get this, but if you want to mount 2 or 3 ladders, you're gonna need some more of this. So we give you that option to purchase that. And then this looks like all of the hardware needed for installation. See if I can get this plastic wrap off. Yep, so we got some self-tapping screws in here. Looks like we got like 4 or 6 maybe. Got some carriage bolts. We've got some little nuts, knobs here. Vantech logo on it, looks nice. You got these little risers. And of course the all-important installation instructions, so you're not left to your own devices trying to figure out what goes where. Yeah, like I said, so you've got this extruded groove here, and these little, what's the technical name for that? Rubber bar guard. Rubber bar guard slides into this channel and protects the bar from your ladder or whatever you're mounting on there. It looks like you don't even have to slide it. You can just press it in place, okay? I always make things more difficult than it needs to be, so those self-tapping screws, you may have, looks like this is all stainless steel hardware, by the way, so if you're getting the aluminum kit, you don't have to worry about all the hardware rusting on you, so that's a great addition. But these self-tapping screws are not for going into your van. No, it's for attaching crossbar to the mounting feet. There's some holes here. Thread or tap those suckers in right there. Then we've got some more stainless steel hardware here, some hex cap screws, washers, and nuts for attaching the mounting feet to the van. A lot of stuff here from Vantech, all in great shape, extremely well packaged. Again, I love the H1 ladder rack. It's a super simple, easy ladder rack. I've seen people even put these on, you know, your high rough transits and sprinters and ProMasters, where it's kind of difficult to use a crossbar rack, and you'd rather have something that drops down. But I see people use it, and they just put a little roller bar on the back. Hey, you can do it. So great product here from Vantech. If you're looking for this or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.